Sustainable living has become an important goal for many homeowners in Baytown. With increasing awareness of energy consumption and environmental impact, more people are looking for ways to make their homes eco-friendly without sacrificing comfort. One of the most effective upgrades that supports sustainability is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are designed to reduce energy use, improve indoor comfort, and contribute to a more environmentally responsible lifestyle. One of the primary ways energy-efficient windows support sustainable living is by reducing energy consumption. In Baytown's warm and often humid climate, air conditioning systems work hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Older or inefficient windows can allow heat to enter the home, forcing HVAC systems to run longer and use more energy. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced materials and multi-pane glass that limit heat transfer. This helps keep indoor spaces cooler, reducing the need for excessive energy use. Lower energy consumption directly leads to a smaller carbon footprint. When homes use less electricity for heating and cooling, they contribute fewer greenhouse gas emissions to the environment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Baytown homeowners can play a role in reducing overall energy demand and supporting a cleaner, more sustainable future. Another important benefit is the use of advanced glass technology, such as low emissivity, low-E coatings. These coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter the home. This means homeowners can enjoy bright, naturally lit interiors without increasing indoor temperatures. Maximizing natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, further lowering energy consumption and supporting eco-friendly living. Energy-efficient windows also help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, which contributes to overall sustainability. Homes with poor insulation often experience temperature fluctuations, leading to increased reliance on heating and cooling systems. By creating a stable indoor environment, these windows reduce the need for constant adjustments, making energy use more efficient and predictable. Durability is another key factor in sustainable living. Energy-efficient windows are typically made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass that are designed to last for many years. Their resistance to warping, cracking, and moisture damage means fewer replacements are needed over time. This reduces waste and the environmental impact associated with manufacturing and disposing of building materials. In addition to durability, these windows require less maintenance, which also supports sustainability. Materials that resist weather-related damage do not need frequent repainting or repairs. This reduces the use of additional resources and chemicals, making them a more environmentally friendly option compared to traditional window materials. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to better indoor air quality. By creating a tight seal, they help keep outdoor pollutants, dust, and allergens from entering the home. A cleaner indoor environment reduces the need for air purifiers and other energy-consuming devices, further supporting sustainable living practices. Water and moisture control is another advantage, especially in Baytown's climate. Properly sealed windows prevent water infiltration that can lead to mold or structural damage. By protecting the home's structure, energy-efficient windows reduce the need for repairs and materials, which aligns with long-term sustainability goals. Another way these windows support eco-friendly living is by increasing home value and market appeal. Sustainable features are becoming more important to homebuyers, and energy-efficient upgrades are often seen as a major advantage. A home that consumes less energy and offers long-term savings is more attractive in the market, encouraging broader adoption of environmentally conscious solutions. Proper installation is essential to fully achieve these benefits. Even the most advanced windows will not perform efficiently if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight seal, proper insulation, and optimal alignment, allowing the windows to function as intended and maximize their environmental benefits. Over time, the combination of reduced energy use, lower emissions, and long-lasting materials makes energy-efficient windows a key component of sustainable living. They provide a practical way for homeowners to reduce their environmental impact while enjoying a more comfortable and cost-effective home. In conclusion, energy-efficient windows play a vital role in supporting sustainable living in Baytown. By reducing energy consumption, improving insulation, and minimizing environmental impact, they offer both immediate and long-term benefits. For homeowners looking to make smarter, eco-friendly choices, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a meaningful step toward a more sustainable and efficient home.